How to turn off events push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off events push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and now just click this one again, events, click on it, and here just turn push notifications off, and here now you can go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.